I love the fact that nobody knows who invented the violin. I love the fact that it came from somewhere and nowhere. Is it really something that comes from Europe in the 16th century, or does it go further back? Where does the feeling of the violin come from? I have the feeling that is a very, very ancient thing that goes back a long way.
Good luck. You're going to merge two worlds in.
The violin is probably the instrument that sounds most like the singing voice.
It's a lot about singing, it's about the soul.
You have this feeling that this is a person.
It sings.
I think there must have been quite an extraordinary moment where mankind realized that you can do more with a bow than just killing people.
That even though these cultures are so far apart, in fact they're all connected through the bow and through the violin.
These questions, they rise up and they say, what is that? What is that? Where did it come from? It's identity. What is then our music?
One thing is clear, it had nothing to do with the Italians in the 15th century.